I'm going to hop on the S-set. We'll review the carriage. This is the S-set. There's B24 over the other side. And there's a bit of review of the cab. They're just trying to get the thing up. The set of this S-set that I'm currently on is S56. This is the car number. This is where you can change through the carriages on towards this carriage. Now I'm going to be going on the very front carriage of the train. So yeah, see you guys at the very front carriage in service. This one's going to retire. And I wish there was this cool thing where you could smell this thing on YouTube, but hopefully that happens in the future. And you can smell how beautiful it smells of this beautiful S. I'm just going to walk up to the front of the carriage, and yeah. And excuse all the people, by the way, too. There are a lot of people at this event, because a lot of people will be missing this set. I'm going to go to the very front of the train, so I get a very good view. And apparently I'm not sure if this is going to be happening or not, but they're going to have a race between B24, this S-set, and that red set F1 down there. So we're going to go to just in here at the very front door. Here we are. Set and a B set together. Now let's go ahead and get on the S set, but first I'm going to take some photos for my channel banner.
The train on platform 2 is a charter.
I'm going to try to get to the front.
New South Wales, City Rail, the Public Transport Commission of New South Wales and the New South Wales Department of Railways.
Is now the end of the S-sets. No more S-sets now. This is the very last service.
I mean, that's 30 minutes. I mean, that could take much. Yeah. Apparently we're running.
Oh, we're at Redfern now.
There's Redfern.
I don't think I see
A40 terminating at Central.
A40, City Service.
Oh,
and
my
B3.
gosh.
Phil's waiting at Central to film this train arrive.
Really?
Where's Phil going to be? He's going to be watching this, filming this train arrive at Central. Okay, I'll go ahead and say hi to him.
He's my biggest fan.
Yeah, so last time I saw him was on the metro. Oh.
Well, it wasn't scrapped. It just was taken away. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.